Hi and welcome to this little bonus video. So today let's make a room tour in the Trump Hotel in Washington D.C. The hotel is located in the old post office, so the building is a historic place which was opened in 1899. There are still some things left from the former usage. This, for instance, was the pneumatic post system that they operated within the building. As I go to my room here, you can already get an idea of the overall design and atmosphere. I'd call it extremely luxurious and with an eye for detail. I also can't emphasize enough what a great job the people working here do, and I really mean all of them. They're extremely professional and attentive, very polite, but they're also not getting on your nerves, if you know what I mean. So I felt very comfortable here. Okay, let's enter my hotel room. I had a Premier King room, which is, I think, one category above the standard deluxe room. Okay, here we go. Already here in the corridor, you see that there's plenty of room. This is something that goes on in the main part of the room. It's very, very spacious. So when you turn right, you can already get a first impression of the bathroom. Right here, but I'll show that later. When you enter here the main portion of the hotel room, you will see that this room is dominated by the huge bed here. And you can already recognize the design. In my view, it's absolutely beautiful, but of course that's a matter of taste, I guess. But I like to quote the Romans, "De gustibus non est disputandum," so let's not debate about taste. Everybody has something that he likes particularly, or something that he dislikes. But I would say, especially when you see it in reality, it looks really, really nice. Also, you know, here the wood and the fabric behind it, the blue, dark blue fabric, it looks, you know, really, yeah, posh. I would say it looks really posh. This is the room, how it looks right when everything is set for bedtime. Well, let's see what's inside this drawer. And we see the Bible, and let me check. Yeah, that is. Yeah, so it is the complete Bible. By the way, not the New or the Old Testament. Yeah, everything. You don't see that very often nowadays, and you know, they are very inclusive. Here at the Trump Hotel, you can also get other religious reading material, like such as the Talmud or the Quran and others. And here, yeah, I think that's, yeah, if you want to buy some things from the room, or if you want some things that you see in the room and you like them, you can buy them for your home as well. You have a phone here, and that's what the maid brought. Oh, that's also, look at that. You can make some notes here, and there is a pen here. Very, very nice. And then we have, look at that. Yeah, chocolate, complimentary, I guess, and Evian water. Very nice. What's that? So the channels, you can see which channel is accessible on which number on the television. Not really interesting for me because I don't watch a lot of television, but nevertheless, I mean, it's presented in a very, very nice way. The maid was already here. She brought that. Here we have the controls for the air conditioning system, and Here you see, the switches for the lights, of course, and there are two buttons. Essentially, those buttons replace those do not disturb signs that you usually have, which you have to put out, and they also tend to fall down all the time when you when you close the door. So you don't have that problem here, because you just have to touch a button, and so the staff knows that you don't want to be disturbed, or that you want them to make up your room. So that's a very, very good idea. Okay, so here we have the TV screen. He brought me some ice. And we have Trump International Hotel. Yeah, this is the mini bar. The mini bar, you find it right here. Consists of a portion which is here. So something, some chocolate, Trump branded chocolate, or stuff like that. Here, cashew nuts, something like that. Yeah, various things. And this is the real mini bar. So you have a key here to open it. Voila, here we go. So this is the mini bar with different options, but the pricing is very ambitious. Yeah, here you can have some coffee and tea, complimentary. Well, I would call that a standard in most hotels now, especially in this category. Well, here you can work in style. Look at that desk. Isn't it nice? The chair. And that piece of art. No, I'm not going to interpret that. That's up to you. Here we have another opportunity just to sit down and relax. And while we have the phone on this side, one phone, we have a clock right here. Also very nice, I think. Let's see what's inside. No, this is empty. And this is probably also empty. Ah, no, a plate. Yeah, I don't know for what, but it's inside. Here, yeah, you can have your shoes then brought into order, or if you have some holes in your pants, you can correct that. Yeah, so in my view, there is not much that they could have done better here. Here, but which is already a good thing, they have USB power outlets, but this here is not a universal power outlet, so if you have electronic devices from Europe, you would need this adapter here. Yeah, that's the only thing they could improve here. Here's the phone. It has touchscreen options, so you can call them for in-room dining, which will happen right now as we speak. There's also a bedroom closet. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. Also very nice. The bathrobe and the safe. The safe is here, as well as the fabric steamer with instructions on how to use it, and some more pillows. Okay, I think that's it. And this is the dinner for one that I have ordered. Again, this reflects the luxurious style in this hotel. They come with a special tray table that makes this a restaurant-like dining experience. I had a tasty burger and a wonderful dessert. And now just let me add a few words about the bathroom. Again, the design is very impressive. Looks nice. So we have here the bathtub, but that's not all. We also have the separate shower here. Again, very nice. Only the toilet is not made of gold. And here we have one more bathrobe. Well, for some reason the footage with the view out of the window disappeared from my camera, so I only have this photo here. What I can say is that I had a view on the EPA building, and as far as I remember, you can actually see a part of the Washington Monument. Well, that's it for today. All I can say is that this is an amazing hotel. I hope you enjoyed this bonus video, and I look forward to welcoming you on this channel again soon. Thank you.